Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In today's 2-minute tip video, I want to show you a product that you can pick up at Home Depot. It's in the fencing section. It's called ladder mesh. This is 10 feet. It's perfect for trellising different plants up the sides, and I'm going to show you a couple ways to use it. Being 10 feet long, you can simply just drop it right into the side of any container bed, raised bed, and it's going to make a nice little arch, perfect for peas, cucumbers, etc. Now, the cool part about this is it's only $3.98. So 10 feet, lots of ways to use it. Whoop, just kick that. Lots of ways to use it. I'm going to just show you how simple it is. I think I could do this with one hand. Is you just place it where you want it to go. If I'm doing something like this, I would leave a gap. And then I would just bend it down this way. Pop it in, sink it down a little bit more, and you can see that it's building a wonderful little arch trellis. Fill up the rest of the bed. That's going to stay in place. It naturally wants to spring out. I'm using it over here. Again, that's only $3.98. And if you want to subscribe and follow me, I'll be building out my entire garden. I do 3 or 4 videos a week showing you just about every aspect of gardening, you know, from start to finish, seedling to harvest. Here's a fabric pot. If you already have soil in there, just dig out a hole. Again, you can just pop it in, perfect trellis. One more example, just to show you how versatile it is. You can take 2 pieces, that is 2 10-foot pieces, overlap it by about a foot, and then you can use zip ties to secure it. Use zip ties that have a UV protection in it so they don't degrade over the years from the sun. When you have something this big, it's going to be a little bit wobbly, so you want to just stake it in, and then you just weave the mesh right over it. And this is going to be for some taller beans, but it's, you know, that's about, what, $8 to make. Again, you can find this, at least I get it at Home Depot, by their fencing. Some other designs, you can double it up. Grow things up there. You could even support pepper plants with this. You can support tomato plants once you tie it up top. This is really secure. It's not going to be knocked over by the weight of cucumber plants or anything like that. And again, I'm doing something like that over here. Those orange cages will come out once the peas grow up, but I'm using a combination of the mesh for peas that are starting to sprout up and my tomato cages, which I won't be using for about another 6 to 8 weeks. Anyway, this ladder mesh makes for a great trellis. Sometimes it's called builder's mesh, but look for it, ladder mesh, Home Depot, by the fencing. Highly recommend it, easy to use, and it's inexpensive. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'll be doing 2-minute garden tips every week, and like I said, I'll be planting and tending this entire garden and bringing it to you in video. Thanks for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.